Hello friends. In this video, we will see how to add multiple accounts in OneDrive on Mac. If we open the Finder, we would be able to see multiple OneDrive over here. Now, as you can see, I have added two OneDrive, one my personal and one for the company which I work for. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add one more OneDrive if you want to. The first step is open the Safari and go to the OneDrive portal. Once you open up this page, you'll be able to see something like cloud on top of your screen. Click on one of the clouds. There you will see which OneDrive it refers to and whether the files are synced or not. If you want to add one more account, simply click on this settings button, go to preferences. In the preferences, go to account. There you will find this button called as add an account. When you click on that, it will ask you to input the email address. Let's say this is the email address based on which I want to set up my OneDrive. So I'll click on sign in. And it will take me to the sign in page where it will ask me for the password. After you input the password, it will bring you to this screen where it will ask you to choose the OneDrive folder. Click on choose OneDrive folder location. And I would go with Dcadia, which is my name. And I'll just say choose this location. Then I'll click on next. And we are set. Just keep on clicking on next. I don't want the mobile app right now. And open OneDrive folder. So I'll click on this. If I go here, now you would be able to see the third OneDrive which I have just created. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you. Thank you.